Hi there. In this lecture we see a fantastic game of Mikhail Tal. So this is Igor Chukaev against Mikhail Tal in 1956. So round 19. So we get a good lesson in the King's Indian defense as well. So Tal with the black pieces, King's Indian defense, and we have the Averbakh variation. So bishop e2 and bishop g5. Tal plays c5, so he's going into a kind of modern Benoni pawn structure with e6 now, queen d2, e takes d5, and here actually e takes d5 is played, so not c takes d5, so not quite Benoni. Black's pawn structure is Benoni style, but white's is aiming just to have a shared e file here. Okay, we have queen b6, knight f3, bishop f5, and now knight h4. So this is a little bit unusual looking. The thing is, if white castles, what would you do with black here? This bishop's often an excuse for tactics. It's a bit of a tactical target. We have knight e4, so hitting the queen, hitting g5. So if knight takes e4, bishop takes e4, this situation with bishop takes f3, queen takes f3, yeah, we're going to get a nice cozy position. It's at least even. So knight h4 is played, and here we have knight e4 anyway. Knight takes e4, bishop takes e4, and white actually makes a big mistake. White castles queenside. White should have castled kingside, and that should be technically even. So why is castling queenside such a disaster here? Well, the thing is, we have this bishop on g7 which provides support on c3, is looking at b2 and also, x-raying a1, and it's actually rather dangerous here indeed, as will be demonstrated. So what does Tal play? What's the first move here to bring more resources to the attack? It is like attack mode already. What would you play here? Okay, for 10 points. Yeah, knight a6. So we have the move f3. It's a very, very difficult position already. If a3, queen b3, and this doesn't look clever after knight b4, this is a really powerful move here, because a takes, we have a5, and we're getting very, very strong play. Takes we can take here, and we've got rook a1. If queen takes, we've got queen c2 checkmate. And if b5, a4, and we're really undermining that b2 pawn, so we've got a chance to really get a crushing position like this. It's going to end badly for white, basically. So a3 is kind of out of the question. Bishop f3 does knight b4. And this is the funny thing, the bishop controls c3. This is a very important aspect, because knight takes a2 check. So here, if king b1, we can play knight c3 check and win e4. And if king c2, queen takes b2 check, queen b3 check, knight c3 check, and we're still winning basically e4. If rook dg1, just to demonstrate this one, knight b4, and if the king evacuates, this is not a good idea. Black's going to be winning just like this. So white tried f3, and now guess what Tal plays? For 100 points. Yeah, he just plays knight b4. This knight's going to be making use of this c3 square. This bishop's so good because it's supporting c3. So we have f takes, knight takes a2 check, king b1. So the thing is, if king c2, we just take on b2 check, and here we're actually mating. Brutal, isn't it? So king b1, and now we're using this c3 square, knight c3 check, and we're now forking the queen and bishop, and the queen's kind of overloaded looking after b2. So it works really well. So queen c2, knight takes g5, so black's just won pawns basically. Yeah, it's 2 pawns up. Knight takes f3, bishop takes f3, a5, rook d3, a4. So still the attack is kind of relentless. Rook e1, queen b4, rook e7, and just challenging the e file. Pair of rooks comes off. King e1, b5. So here we have rook a3. If c takes b5, queen takes b5, bishop e2, rook b8, and in this position we're just winning basically. I mean, we're material up and we've still got pressure with a3 coming up. So rook a3 is tried, but this leads to a really crushing finish. Rook e1 check, king a2. Can you see for 100 points the final tactic? It's a forced mate sequence. So you might want to pause the video here. This is a really fun, like, tactical puzzle. Okay, I mean, it's really showing the power of this Finketo bishop and King's Indian as well. If we were searching out puzzles, you know, we should get good at Finketo based puzzles, really. If we're gonna, you know, we're gonna get Finketo positions like this, beautiful finish. Queen takes a3 check, and that's the end of the game. If b takes, rook a1 is checkmate. If king takes, then there's rook a1 checkmate. So yes, a beautiful finish. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this as much as me. What a wonderful game. Okay, thanks so much. Hi there. Thanks for getting to the end of the YouTube video. If you would like to see other Mikhail Tal games, I actually have an amazing course for Mikhail Tal, which is currently at 4.9 with over 400 students. You can check this out from the Kingscrusher TV page. So Chess Strategy and Tactics, Mikhail Tal's amazing games. You can check out some free preview videos as well here. If you do expand all sections, you can see the preview links to get some free previews. So I hope you do check out this course index and the free previews. So I really had a thrilling time actually checking out Mikhail Tal's games. So yeah, the YouTube video here you saw was just a sample from this course. I hope you check it out. Okay, thanks so much. Oh, by the way, comments, questions, likes, shares, all appreciated. And if you did get to this, you know, part of the video, please do leave some sort of comment like Tal fan. Okay, thanks again.